we've got it down to about a week to 2 weeks before the beer goes bad or oxidizes. And it's just equipment. So we have to fill the can from the actual faucet from the tap, and then we have to move it over to the canning machine and then put it into the canning machine. So that time that it goes between getting filled and getting basically sealed, there's enough oxygen that gets into there from the atmosphere that makes the beer go bad in about 2 weeks.
I see. So it's not depending on the lining of the inside of the can or something like that?
No, it doesn't matter anything like that. No.
And if you don't mind me asking, where do you get your cans from?
So I get them from there's a company called EJ Industries. So he is like a third party. He helps us at this size. So he'll buy like a big truckload of cans at a time, and then he's got, I think he said 20 or 30 different accounts that buy, a quarter of a pallet or a half a pallet every single month. And so then you don't have to pay for the shipping charges to your brewery for a giant semi of cans, and then you don't have any place to put them. So he basically he pays for a warehouse, and then he distributes cans and labels them for us too, which is really nice.
I see. So it's like a broker.
Exactly. He's a broker. Thank you. That's the word I was looking for.
Because, I used to work for the two bigger can companies, Ball and Crown.
Yep. Ball and Crown. I think we have Ball can. I think we have Ball lids or Ball can ends and lids. Yeah. And those companies. Yeah, those companies are so huge in this.
They won't talk to you as a small brewer.
No, they don't care unless they're gonna sell us a whole semi full of cans. They don't care.
Yeah, that's huge.
Yeah.
Okay. So you do have a canning mechanism kind of operated by hand?
Yep. It's basically the crowler. I don't know if you remember the 32-ounce can crowlers. It's the same machine as that. We just have it scaled down to the 16-ounce.
Yeah, and okay. So now down the road, I mean, it would be like a conveyor belt with a filler and like a capper.
I'm really, really hoping that I don't have to deal with any sort of canning machine. It was fun for the first couple of production runs because you could, you're drinking on the line. You're like, oh, this is a low fill, and you're drinking it, right? But after a certain amount of time, the amount of loss that you get from canning your beer is absurd. I mean, we're talking 10 to 15% of what's, finished product just goes down the drain just by, either starting it up, running it. You can't drain the tank completely, that sort of stuff. So I really, again, canning is fun for the first couple of runs, and then it just becomes a chore, and it sucks.